Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about the project. And for this semester, we have a very interesting project in which you are going to show your creativity and your speaking skills. So let's see what this is about. So the project for this semester is called A Clear Message. And this project is a kind of a summary of all what we have talked about in the classes. So for you to understand how you can do it, let me share with you the requirements. The requirements for these projects are that it should be done in groups. So you will be having your infographics as a resource. Then you have to create a game about a new way of communication. For example, the game could be something like charade, drawing pictures and code word, etc. You can create some variations of these words by using a way of communication. Then you have to prepare the instructions and write some of them in passive voice. Remember, this is very important because this summarizes what you have learned in these lessons. Also, you can use pictures so that it could be easy for the players to understand the instructions. In this section of preparation of the instructions, you have to elaborate a booklet guide. So it would be useful for players to read instructions. Then it is suggested that you have to prepare some materials if they are needed. Materials like pictures, cards and markers, etc. So in this way, if you want the players to be motivated and participate in this game, we recommend you to prepare some prizes for the winners. Then when you have all of this prepared, you can present it and play it with the class. So please remember that you have to come up with a booklet. So this booklet would be very useful and necessary for the players. And don't forget, you have to make some instructions by using passive voice. The way you will be evaluated is by this rubric. This rubric has this criteria. Your project will be evaluated by the following criteria: the content criteria, the fluency criteria, the voice tone, pronunciation and modulation criteria, the vocabulary and grammar criteria, and the security and the exhibition of work criteria. So you have to be very creative and try to practice the way you lead the play, so every participant could play the game as well. In case you don't have any idea exactly about what kind of game you would present, here we show you some examples.
That's on video.
Okay. All right, so let's have Matthew then start.
I can't do this. What? Okay, go until you have to go.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh no. I don't know. Wait, what was the second? Ah, crap, I forgot it.
No talking.
Really?
Okay, so what do you think it is? Okay. And let me get a picture of what the word was.
Okay, so one other example of charade, you can do this.
You all know how to play charades. Each player gets a turn giving silent clues to their teammate. 30 seconds on the clock per turn. We're going to do 4 rounds, and then the 5th round is the charades showdown. Both teams give the same clue.
Seven.
All right, we can do this.
Remember the Seinfeld episode with seven? Seven? Never mind. You remember.
Okay.
Um,
Oh my God.
okay.
Yeah. Oh, we got this. I can feel it already.
Okay.
I can feel the confidence. Oh, it's a song. 3 words. First word. Belt. Waist. Hips. Hips don't lie!
So this would be an example of charades, and you can create a game by using this as an example. So we hope you can enjoy this moment and present your project as creative as you can. See you in the next lesson.